Welcome to my YouTube channel, that is My Knowledge Par, and today we have to discuss regarding know about the prepositions. आज के वीडियो में prepositions के बारे में देखना है. prepositions के बारे में देखने के पहले prepositions क्या है ये समझ लेना बहुत जरूरी है. What do you mean by prepositions? What do you mean by prepositions? Now already I have written over here the definition of the preposition because to save my time and to make you understand in good way. मेरा टाइम बचने के लिए और उसके साथ साथ आपको अच्छी तरह से समझाने के लिए already I have written over here so that I can save my time. Okay. Preposition is a word or a group of words used before a noun. Preposition what it is? क्या preposition है? ये एक word है और itself it is a noun and it is used before a noun and also what we can say it is before a noun and pronoun. Also noun phrase or noun phrase. It is used before a noun phrase to show direction. क्या बताने के लिए? Directions बताने के लिए आपको क्या करना है? Prepositions use करना है. Direction बताने के लिए, उसके साथ साथ टाइम बताने के लिए, आफ्टर दैट जगह के बारे में बताने के लिए, प्लेस के बारे में बताने के लिए, ठीक उसी तरह लोकेशन के बारे में बताने के लिए एंड स्पेशल रिलेशनशिप्स जो होता है वो बताने के लिए क्या किया जाता है? प्रीपोजिशंस यूज किए जाते हैं एंड आल्सो टू इंट्रोड्यूस व्हाट वी कैन से एन ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट को इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए क्या है बाबा? प्रीपोजिशंस को यूज किए जाते हैं. प्रीपोजिशंस क्या होते हैं? रियली प्रीपोजिशंस आर what we can say it is just like one of the heartbeats of the language. Without prepositions, if we started to write any one of the sentences, it doesn't give a correct sense. करेक्ट सेंस लाने के लिए या देने के लिए प्रीपोजिशंस की बहुत बोले तो बहुत क्या है बाबा? जरूरत है. विदाउट प्रीपोजिशंस वी कांट राइट इवन अ सिंगल सेंटेंस प्रॉपरली. So that prepositions are very important. Prepositions क्या है बाबा? बहुत ही important है. So जैसे कि मैं आपको बताया earlier, what I told you, definition is this one. A preposition is a word or a group of words used before noun, pronoun or noun phrase to show direction. Direction बताने के लिए यूज किया जाता है. The time, place, location, spatial relationships or to introduce an object. Now, which are the prepositions? Which are those types of prepositions are here? There are 5 types of prepositions. कौन से है? सिंपल प्रीपोजिशन, एक सादा प्रीपोजिशन है, उसके साथ साथ डबल प्रीपोजिशन, आफ्टर दैट कंपाउंड प्रीपोजिशन, लेटर ऑन पार्टिसिपल प्रीपोजिशन, देन फ्रेज प्रीपोजिशन. सबसे पहले कौन सा है? सिंपल है. सिंपल प्रीपोजिशन का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द सिंपल प्रीपोजिशन? सिंपल प्रीपोजिशन इज नन अदर देन these are the prepositions are coming in a short word. Those prepositions have been called as the simple prepositions. How they are? At is there, by is there, as is there, but is there, for is there, from is there, but is there, far is there, from is there, in is there, into is there, then is there, off is there, OFF off also is there, on also is there, out also is there, over also is there, till also is there, to is also there, up also is there, upon also is there, with also is there, under also is there, down also is there, etc. What are these? These are the simple prepositions. Parts of speech के अंदर जब हम क्या है बाबा? नाउन, प्रोनाउन, वर्ब, एडवर्ब, एडजेक्टिव, प्रीपोजिशन, कंजंक्शन, इंटरजेक्शन, इनके बारे में जब हम सोचते हैं तो सिर्फ हम क्या है बाबा? नाउन के बाद प्रोनाउन आता है. आफ्टर दैट नाउन, प्रोनाउन, वर्ब, एडवर्ब, प्रीपोजिशन, कंजंक्शन, इंटरजेक्शन, अंडरस्टैंड, एडजेक्टिव, such type of the parts of speech are there. But when we are going to study in detail, जब डिटेल में स्टडी करते हैं उस वक्त क्या है बाबा? हमें सब के बारे में जानकारी रहना बहुत जरूरी है. वी मस्ट नो, माई लिसनर्स मस्ट नो दैट दे शुड नॉट गेट वेरी अ फ्यू नॉलेज. They should get a detailed knowledge regarding that spoken English or also the language. Therefore, I am going in detail. Why I am going in detail? Just types of prepositions. Preposition हम आज तक या आपको आपको क्या लगता होगा कि बाबा सिर्फ प्रीपोजिशन एक ही होता है और उसको लैंग्वेज में यूज करने से वो लैंग्वेज ब्यूटीफुल बनती है, बट इट इज नॉट सो. हाउ these are, you see please, types of prepositions. Types of prepositions means how? Just listen. Types of prepositions, in that one simple preposition is there, and in simple preposition what it is there? Which are the simple prepositions? Already I told you, जो short word होते हैं, short word की वजह से noun और pronoun को, या noun या what we can say object को, या noun या place को, या noun या location को join किया जाता है. वैसे छोटे छोटे जो words होते हैं, especially in English में, such type of the words have been called simple prepositions. At only what it is there, yet is there, and it is a short. Why it is? Well, there are only two letters. By here also there are only two letters, as here also there are two letters, but here are three letters. For here are also three letters. From here are four letters. In, into, then, of, on, out, over, till, to, up, upon, with, under, down, etc. These are the simple prepositions, and simple prepositions are always going to express what we can say, they denote. What they are going to denote? They denote the direction, time, place, location, spatial relationships, or they also introduce an object. वो ऑब्जेक्ट क्या करते हैं? इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं. सो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ कैसे होगा? सिंपल प्रीपोजिशन के अंदर एट है. व्हाट इट इज? माय अंकल इज वर्किंग एट फार्म. शी इज गोइंग टू कम बाय द एंड ऑफ मंथ. शी अपीयर्स, अंडरस्टैंड, as a fair notebook. But understand why it is but is going to totally disconnect the ideas of saying. Far is there, it is going to show the time. From is there, it is going to show the starting point. In is there, it is going to show the location. Into is there, it is going to show the pack into the room. Then is there, off is there, off, on. In the same way such type of the prepositions are there. So simple preposition, what it is there, how to be used. Double prepositions, what are those, that we have to study. Compound preposition, what they are, that we have to study. Participle prepositions, what they are, that we have to study. And phrase prepositions, which are those, also that we have to study. So step by step we will study. Till then, take care. If you like my channel, so please like it. Do not forget to subscribe it and share it. Take care. Thank you.